guys, I'm back. I look so bad right now. Today we're gonna be doing a Adriana Lima inspired makeup look. I definitely don't look anything like her, but we're gonna be doing something a bit similar to her makeup, so let's get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna start off with some foundation. I like to mix these two foundations, so let's get into that. Okay, next I'm gonna add some concealer. You guys know I use the Fit Me concealer, so let's add some. It's almost finished. Next I'm gonna add some bronzer and some contour. They're kind of light, but I don't know. Okay, next we're gonna add some blush. Okay, I feel like I put too much blush, but I'm just gonna add some highlights. I'm just gonna add some powder. Okay, I look pretty bad, but trust the process. Next, we're gonna add some of this eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna add some of this darker shade. Next, I'm gonna add some eyeliner on my waterline. I'm not really good at this, so bear with me. Okay, next I'm gonna add some mascara. Next I'm gonna add some of this lipstick. I'm gonna add a little bit of this lip gloss. Setting spray. Okay guys, this is the look. I tried my best with it. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.